Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Windows 10 and Windows 11, as you may know, have an accessibility feature called color filters. And what color filters do is basically they make colors on your screen easier to see and differentiate, and are basically used as an accessibility feature. And here we can see when the feature is turned on, we've got 6 different color filters that can be applied. And as an example, if I turn on grayscale, we can see everything has been turned to grayscale as an example. So they are an accessibility feature to make colors on your screen easier to see and differentiate. Now, in regards to color filters in Windows 11, last week Microsoft rolled out their latest Canary channel build to the Windows 11 insiders, build 25921. And a small but I think significant enhancement has been spotted in build 25921 that now lets you adjust the intensity of those color filters. And this was spotted by the Windows enthusiast Zeno the Panther over on Reddit. And this is just a screenshot supplied, which will give us a good idea as to what this feature is all about. And it's now possible, as we can see, to adjust the intensity and color boost of some filters. So we've got these 2 sliders, and obviously you can fiddle around with those and adjust that intensity, which I think is a nice move just because it just brings another layer and another enhancement to color filters, especially if you use it and you use these filters as an accessibility feature if you are, say, visually impaired. And once you've fiddled around and adjusted the intensity, as you can see here, you can reset intensity and color boost to defaults, and you click on that reset button, and this obviously will set everything back to reset. So over and above having your 6 different color filters, you will then have these 2 sliders that help you adjust the intensity. And as mentioned, particularly handy if you are visually impaired. And by the way, just on a side note, I have posted a whole video on how to use a color filter on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and I'll leave that video down below in case you would be interested. But nonetheless, color filters, and with color filters, it's now possible to adjust the intensity as spotted in last week's Canary channel build 25921. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.